Good morning guys, in front of me is HOTWAV W11 and let me show you how to change system language. First of all, open the settings. Then find and select System and now mark Language and Input. Select Languages, now click on plus icon and choose the language that you want to apply. You can either scroll all the way down till you find the preferred language, or you can mark Search button and smoothly enter it here. Now slide this language up to the first place, just like that, and now a brand new language is added and it's your system language. So this is it. Whenever you want to change it, just slide up another language or perform the same action that we did before. To remove some language from this list, tap on More icon, select Remove, mark Unnecessary Languages and use bin. Tap on Remove, and that's it. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.